Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be talking about my journey with this Hyundai Elite i20. This is 4 years old, 40,000 kilometers driven, and this is a Magna petrol variant. Prior to this car, I had a Volkswagen Polo, but I had many issues with that car, so I decided that I'm gonna sell it. So when I was in search of new car, the day I took test drive of this Elite i20, I was absolutely blown away with the engine refinement, the slick gearbox and the light steering wheel. This is when I decided that I'm gonna buy this car. This car has a very matured exterior look, especially the rear section. Initially when I saw this car in 2014 on the roads, and the tail lamps looked as if it was some BMW car, but I was surprised when I saw a Hyundai logo behind it, and that too it was an i20. The interiors of this car have a mix of beige and black color. I'm really a fan the way interior looks. I mean, this car has by far the best looking interiors in the entire segment. This car came with the stock infotainment system. Initially I thought I will have to go for aftermarket infotainment system, but then I was really surprised the way this music system is performing. It gives good bass, clarity on vocals. I don't think there is any need for upgrading the infotainment system. It comes with a 1.2 liter petrol engine. I did not have any issues with respect to power when I was using this car in the city. Only issue I face when I go on long drives, that is when the car reaches higher RPMs, it takes time to respond. Hitting triple digit speeds does not take time, but after reaching triple digit speeds to go even much higher, let's say 140 or 150 kilometers an hour, it does take time. This car has been giving a mileage of 12 kmpl in the city and a maximum of 15 on the highway. The service interval of this car is 10,000 kilometers or 1 year. Each service has been costing me somewhere in between 4,000 to 5,000 rupees. I have taken this car on multiple highway trips, twice to Goa, once to Bangalore and once to Araku Valley. The point to note on the highway trips is the steering is very light. The tire and the steering does not feel connected at all. You don't know what the tires are doing, and this becomes very scary when you are going on higher speeds on 120 plus kilometers. One factor which impressed me a lot in this car is the build quality. So 2 years back, my mom and dad were traveling in this car. Dad was driving and mom was sitting beside him. And unfortunately a truck came and hit the back right door of the car, and the door was completely destroyed. I was very lucky that nothing happened to my mom and dad, and the credit goes to the build quality of this car. So I had to claim the insurance. Good job done by the Hyundai service team. They fixed the car, the back door was replaced, and all the denting and painting work was done. So that's about it in this video. I hope you found this video useful. If you like this video, definitely hit the like button. Please share the video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. I will see you next time. Till then, peace.